This is the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a trough over the plains, the upper Midwest, and the Great Lakes, and that's brought some cold air down into our neck of the woods. It's also bringing a couple of pop-up showers that we'll see over the next couple of days and even a few nights. Chances are about 20 to 30%. They'll be widely scattered, and they may last 5 minutes, and then you may get some breaks of some sunshine. Highs today will be mainly in the 40s and 50s, cooling off into the 40s across the state, with another chance of maybe a little more activity on Friday. There'll be a little less sunshine and a lot more cloudiness, but any rain amounts will be about 1/10 of an inch or less, even into Saturday as that system and disturbance slowly moves to the south and east. It will drop readings possibly Saturday. Some areas may not even get out of the upper 30s, and some of the precipitation could mix with a little bit of that white stuff Friday night and into early Saturday. Sunday, it looks to be rather dry for the most part. Any precipitation looks to be northeast or east of the area. A couple of clouds here and there on highs in the upper 30s through the 40s, and then the temperatures will start to warm up as we move into Monday as the winds turn from the south and southwest, and that's going to be ahead of our next system that's going to be approaching from the west. Readings into the 40s and lower to middle 50s, maybe some middle to upper 50s in our southwestern counties. And that'll be with a disturbance that'll sweep through late Monday into the day on Tuesday. And that'll bring us maybe a shower, maybe a thunderstorm. We'll have to wait and see about that. It doesn't look to be too significant at this point, but here comes another system right on its heels as we move into Wednesday and Wednesday night, and this one looks to be a bit more significant, and this could bring us some showers and maybe a thunderstorm as well. We'll keep watching it as we have plenty of time over the next couple of days. You can see this is why we say it's significant. Look how it's digging a trough down well into West Texas and New Mexico. And we've seen a couple of systems like that this year, and they've been quite interesting and quite nasty for a large portion of the country, and it looks like it's going to be one of them. It's model data. It's still a week away. We're going to have to keep watching this, but that looks like severe weather episode south of the state, where around here maybe a cold rain at this rate. Going into the extended period around the 28th of March. That does not look like the 28th of March. That looks like the middle of winter, unfortunately. Ridge over the west, trough over the east. We saw that most of this winter. That would mean cold temperatures, and that also would mean this storm system could be bringing us, as it's moving away at this point, it could be bringing us some of that white stuff. It's model data. Don't take it as a forecast. It's something we'll continue to watch. The end of the forecast, April Fool's Day. April Fools, we're just joking. No, this is actually April Fool's Day. April 1st, ridge over the west, but it's not as pronounced. Trough over the east, not as pronounced. Flow out of the north and west, but that's more or less coming mainly out of the Pacific. So temperatures look to moderate, maybe back into the 50s by that point. Of course, we're into April at that point, so 50s would be fairly close to seasonal levels. We'll see what happens. Satellite image from last evening. Big pinwheeling storm. That's the storm that brought us the severe weather the other night across the state and into Illinois and Missouri. And it's spinning over the Great Lakes. It brought quite a bit of the wind as well across the area. It's bringing quite a bit of snow up around Duluth. They've seen quite a few inches up there. Winter weather issues in Montana down into Colorado. Some wind issues in western New York and whatnot. Some flood issues continue over the south, but it's fairly quiet. QPF, though, for the next 5 days looks very not quiet. Lots of rain over the Gulf Coast where they probably don't need it. Some precipitation over the northwest where they do, and some over New England as well.